Scott Harrison reports live from downtown Manitou Springs on this event. Scott?
Hi, John. We're here in Manitou Springs outside the town hall, and we're getting ready to test the city's new emergency alert system. This was paid for by a $25,000 grant from the state. And this was kind of spurred along, of course, by the Waldo Canyon Wild Fire that happened this summer also. So we're going to test it right now. Get ready for a loud noise.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This concludes our test of the emergency alert system.
So it didn't take too long, and it wasn't as loud as we first feared it might be.